Slide 1, Start. In the grand tapestry of life, some of the most enchanting stories unfold in the mysterious realm of symbiosis. Welcome to a journey into nature's most bizarre partnerships, where unlikely allies forge bonds that defy imagination. Picture, if you will, a world where survival depends not on individual strength, but on the mystifying dance of cooperation. Symbiosis isn't just about living together, it's about rewriting the rules of existence itself. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, a peculiar romance unfolds. The female anglerfish, a creature of darkness, carries her mate not as a partner, but as a permanent biological attachment. The male literally fuses with her body, becoming one with his mate in the most literal sense imaginable. But this is just the beginning of our descent into nature's strangest partnerships. In the abyssal depths, we encounter the enigmatic yeti crab, a creature that farms its own food. These ghostly white crustaceans cultivate gardens of bacteria on their hairy claws, nurturing them in the toxic waters near hydrothermal vents. It's a partnership born of necessity in an environment hostile to most life. But perhaps even more baffling are the microscopic marvels happening right beneath our feet. Consider the termite, a creature that would starve surrounded by wood if not for the thousands of microorganisms inhabiting its gut. These invisible partners break down cellulose, transforming indigestible wood into life-sustaining nutrients. The leafcutter ants take this agricultural partnership to an entirely new level. These tiny farmers cultivate fungal gardens with such sophistication that human agriculturists might well take notes. They've been practicing sustainable farming for millions of years, before humans even existed. Moving to the plant world, we encounter the acacia trees of Africa, which have evolved an extraordinary security system. These trees house armies of aggressive ants in their hollow thorns, providing them with shelter and food. In return, the ants violently defend their tree against any would-be herbivores. But perhaps one of the most perplexing partnerships is that of the fig tree and its wasps. Each of the world's 750 fig species has its own species of wasp pollinator. The relationship is so intimate that neither can survive without the other. A dance of mutual dependence refined over millions of years. In the realm of larger creatures, the alliance between crocodiles and plover birds seems to defy logic. These small birds fearlessly enter the mouths of one of nature's most fearsome predators, cleaning their teeth of debris. The crocodiles, remarkably, never snap their jaws shut on these dental hygienists. The ocean gives us the enchanting partnership of clownfish and sea anemones. The clownfish develops immunity to the anemone's stinging tentacles through a careful dance of acclimation, gaining a fortress-like home while providing nutrients to its host. Even more remarkable is the partnership between the pistol shrimp and the goby fish. The nearly blind shrimp relies on the goby's vigilant eyesight, while the fish benefits from the shrimp's excavated burrow. They maintain constant physical contact, communicating through gentle touches. These partnerships challenge our understanding of competition in nature. They remind us that cooperation, not just conflict, shapes the evolution of species. Each bizarre alliance we discover opens new questions about the complexity of life. Consider the implications. In a world where we often emphasize independence, nature shows us countless examples where interdependence is the key to survival. These relationships didn't develop overnight. They're the result of millions of years of coevolution. As we conclude our journey through nature's most bizarre partnerships, remember that we're only scratching the surface. Countless undiscovered symbiotic relationships await in the depths of our oceans, the heart of our forests, and the microscopic world beneath our feet. What other mysterious alliances might we discover? What can these partnerships teach us about cooperation, adaptation, and survival? In the end, these bizarre symbiotic relationships remind us that in nature, the most successful strategy might not be to go it alone, but to find an unlikely friend.